You got rats. You want to trap them. You've heard all about pre-baiting. We're going to talk exactly why you need to do it if you want success. So let's start off by talking about the difference between rats and mice. Mice, super curious. You put something out, there's food there, they cannot wait to try it. Boom, you get them right away. Rats, on the other hand, extremely skeptical. This is why they've been around for so long and why they are amazing at infesting and continuing to populate. If you put something out for a rat, they look at that and they go, let me think about it. And this is where we see two critical mistakes people make. One is when they want to eliminate rats, they will see that there's no activity and think, great, there's no rats. I'm not catching any and I don't see their droppings. The reason for it is they're avoiding it because it's new, and two, they hide their droppings so predators don't see them, so they continue to populate. Mice, you'll see their droppings, you'll trap them right away, a lot easier to deal with. So, how do you trap rats? And if you want to use a trap, there's two main styles. There is the hinge style and your classic wooden snap trap. Both can work. We'll talk briefly about some advantages and disadvantages of each, but the critical part is that you pre-bait. So what is pre-baiting? Pre-baiting means you are introducing them to a new food source that is new to them without killing them or trying to eliminate them. So today we're going to talk about peanut butter. You want to use different baits, check out our other videos. We go over exactly how to select different baits to attract these rodents. High level, you want something extremely high calorie. That's what they're looking for. They want to get the most calories as possible per bite. That's how they live. So what we want to do is get peanut butter into their environment. We know where the rats are traveling. You know that they're there. You've seen burrows, you've seen a rat, or you just know that they're there. Let's figure out how to start. Get your bait, get it into the environment. Critical part, on a wooden snap trap, this is the bait tray in here. Do not smear it on here. You want it right in this little section. And you don't want to use too much. When you get the bait here, it puts the rat's head in the proper position to have the most effective, humane, lethal kill. The big mistake we see people making is they load it up and put a ton there, and they go, hey, I'm not getting the rats. That won't work well. So right in the bait tray. In this hinge trap, and this is a T-Rex, it actually has a removable bait tray, super easy. Get a little more peanut butter, put it right in the bottom. Same thing, you want their head to go in there so you get that proper kill. Now you've got the bait in there. If it's a simple wooden trap, put it out like this. Set it, just flat. Do not bend back the trigger. Let it sit and forget about it. Sometimes it will take a few days. If you really want to do a good job, wait 1 to 2 weeks. When you're using a hinge trap, the nice thing about the T-Rexes is it actually knows all about pre-baiting, so it has a spot to put a zip tie. You put the zip tie in the back. This will hold it open and prevent it from going off. Now let's talk about how you get this hinge trap set for pre-baiting. You've got the bait inside the cup. You need to have this open. Certain traps, you can use a zip tie, tie it right around the whole thing. It will hold it open. Luckily on these nice T-Rex traps, it actually comes with a little spot. You can slide a zip tie right through, loop it right through the back, and then that way it will hold itself open, very discreet. See that there? Nice and easy. I always like to trim the back with both traps. You want to have it looking as close to the exact same as it will look when you set it without the zip tie, so you can't really tell the difference. Set it out, leave it, again, a few days, a couple weeks. The longer you can wait, the more often you're getting regular feeding. That's how you know it's time to get it set. So when you go and check it, if the bait's gone, next day, get a little bit more, refill it again, don't put too much, and then as soon as you're getting almost consistent feeding every single day on the bait, you've trained them. They're coming out for your food. This is the perfect time to get them. Simple enough. Snap trap like this, the hinge trap, chop your zip tie off, slide it out. It's set, looks exactly the same. When they come out to get their nightly snack, boom, you're gonna get them. You have the slow and the fast setting. Check out our other video. We show you exactly how to set these depending what you're looking for. One's really sensitive, one makes them work a little bit harder. You may need to play with it. Another reason why the hinge trap might be a little bit easier for people to use. Couple key tips. Keep the traps in the exact same spot every single night, both for pre-baiting and when you set them to get them. Second thing is try to use the exact same amount of bait. Another trick is if you go 4 or 5 days or a week and nothing's going for the bait, change it up. You have peanut butter, nothing's going for it, maybe get some nice, juicy, fatty ground beef, put it in there. You need to appeal to the rat. If that's not working, look around and see what the rats are feeding off of. Sometimes they may be going for a grain or something that exists in your house. They're familiar, that's what they're looking for. Put it in there, give them exactly what they want, get them on that pattern, and then set them. You can do this with multiple traps. So if you have a large infestation, you can have multiple rats coming up for a snack, and then when you do set them, you start to knock them down really quick. So if you liked our video, please subscribe. If you have any questions at all or any experience, we'd love to hear about it in the comments. Stay tuned. We're here to help you out. Until next time.